Hey there, Genetics 311. My name is Jack Wild, and this is my Exam 1 mini video talking about pedigrees. And we are going to actually discuss the show Avatar: The Last Airbender and The Legend of Korra. The gene that we're going to be studying here is actually fictional. It's called bending. The individual that has this bending gene has the ability to control the elements of nature around them, being fire, water, air, and earth. On screen now, you see the scratch work that I used to arrive at the conclusions that I made regarding the pedigree within the show. So first, we're going to talk about Y-linked inheritance because personally I think it's the easiest to explain and the easiest to point out within the pedigree. The Y chromosome is ultimately what causes offspring to become male. And all Y-linked genes are passed on to the males only, so this is where the inconsistencies lie within the pedigree. Simply put, the sons cannot not possess the gene while the daughters cannot possess the gene. Autosomal recessive inheritance. This is a inheritance that does not take sex into consideration. However, the individual who is presenting the gene must receive the recessive allele from both parents. So where does the inconsistency lie within our pedigree? It lies between generations 1 and 2. If both the parents are going to be homozygous recessive, the child also has to be homozygous recessive. X-linked dominant inheritance is much more frequent in females as they have 2 X chromosomes with the possibility of having that dominant allele, while males only have 1 X chromosome. That being said, there is no father-to-son inheritance. So, the inconsistencies lie between generations 2 and 3. Tenzin should not be able to pass on the bending ability to his 2 sons if his wife is homozygous recessive. X-linked recessive inheritance describes when there is a female with 2 X chromosomes that each carry the recessive allele, or a male whose X chromosome carries the recessive allele. So, looking at the pedigree, where do the inconsistencies lie? The biggest one is between generations 1 and 2. Because Katara is homozygous recessive, she will pass on her gene to any of her sons, no matter how many she has. However, Bumi does not present the gene. It's autosomal dominant inheritance. This is again where sex does not matter. However, a homozygous dominant individual will pass on the gene to all offspring. On the left side where it says no carriers, this is just saying that anyone that possesses the dominant allele will present the gene.